Thank you.
I wanted to have a brief discussion with you. And as both of you know, you want to marry me, and he wants to marry me.
Okay, so you two can't feed it up, so I'll grow.
What?
Who goes to say I'll grow?
I really want to marry you.
And you couldn't say, and I know by I say I'll grow now.
I want to meet with you.
He's just playing around.
Oh, you told
me because
don't mind him. Checheku, you say me medicine so him sir.
When he plays him,
maybe a fucking two. We have made the bro for be your life you has.
When he plays him,
you many plays him, yes. I really want to marry you, yes.
Okay. So if that then be the case, I'm not making any choice here. You understand me?
Why?
I'm not making any choice, but I've come to the conclusion that I want to marry both of you.
What's in Ogan? You want to marry both of us?
Yes, both of you.
As in two men.
Oh, I'll grow in this one.
No. What?
Both of us, I say. Sister. Come on for you sing out to hold up so everybody don't.
Really? Listen.
I don't understand. You know, I come first. So if in proverb we say first come, first serve. So why it is you are talking about both right now?
As someone who can me nindi. But we so be come on one. Me more say me you fucking man. Somebody can catch you. Please, can you explain to me? We don't understand because why and how? How will you do that?
Okay, you want to marry me, right?
Yes, I do. I do want to marry.
And he wants to marry me too, right?
Oh no, the American say it's just a praying. I've got Kewodi.
If I'm asked who I want to pick, I pick both of you.
And is that possible for you?
I don't understand. How
if only you guys are okay, I'm fine. I'm the woman here. And if only you want to marry me, that's fine. If you don't want and you think you can't take it, you can walk out and one person, the other person left is going to stay.
Yes, Chiku, walk out fast. Chiku.
As na walk out, who you be out drinking our drink which like I was at the work on a brown way.
Mina,
1 minute now, there was any Jimmy, Sika 70 BB when you can't, you know. Sister, please, you know how much I love you. You know all this. And we talk for so many times. So why you right now? We are talking about both talking.
Okay, so you want me to choose him over you?
Yes, no, that's what he wants. That's why he's talking too much.
It's a wrong choice.
Who is a wrong choice?
If you choose this guy, it's a wrong choice.
Why?
Because this guy, one is a demonic.
Lucas.
And 2 is a wizard.
Let him prove
and 3 is a witch.
I'm a witch.
And 4 is a thief. And 5, Okasanem.
What do
you Okasanem? He talking, sleeping.
Oh, he talks while sleeping.
Do you have any problem with
that? He can even preach.
Hey, are you serious?
And you know what children work and then this guy.
Is he talking in sleep isn't that bad? He bed wet. This guy bed wet. Can you handle that?
You pee on your bed.
That's what he does. Me, I talk in sleep. Yes, I talk in sleep. I know. You see, you can handle that. You can manage.
Yeah.
He said you urinate while you sleep.
Me? God forbid.
God for hell.
You. God forbid.
Listen,
this guy. This guy is a vampire.
Yeah. Oh wow.
He can chew your neck side while you are asleep. He chew my other neck, but here all is a surgery. Now listen, I'm telling you this. I mean what I'm saying.
You see the reason why I want to marry both of you?
Listen,
because I'm always going to be happy.
It's not about the happy, but listen to me. I mean what I'm saying.
He being a vampire.
Just look at my eye.
You've got beautiful eyes.
Do you know this song? Look into my eyes.
I am looking into your eyes.
Tell me what you see.
I see a very handsome
the
young
loving.
Man.
Oh, sad.
I found in love for me.
I say, Dia wo pen again kasa emu nyina o kasa hwemanim say straight no kasa hwemanim
kasa hwe wanim
o kasa hwemanim
o kasa hwe wanim
ge kasa hwemanim akonya ko be kasa o dia duro no mame ne wontena mame nwa ba wo 20 no wantimi nyi wonfirim bayifo
ena de o kasa hwe wanim na de nsi ye
so ntimi nyi wonfirim
o pe o bro so no o pe wo sin me no ade na me to wanka tell me say yo ki ko na me kunu ni
na wo to wo wekiru say me so wo wekiru
me weki
what be ma bayifo
me weki
what be ma ye bayifo
o ya da me ma so hu no nye
na ena waje wani so no so wale ye mienu so be ke
e sa de nka me ntase e nsi da e si wan ya mienu wo ti bi wan say me ma mienu ba ba ko my friend Jani o kan no
hwe
Jani o kan na me ko me fi ha me sa me ko wo ada ne me de onu kwansu a me ko wo ma wo hu kwan po sa wo wiase say ya mienu ada
that's all you go bubu me atre no
me ko wo pins
e di Jimmy na wo the physics start year we e ba akọ nti pins ni tikebe adwuma nka anya adwuma
na say wo
nti tikebe adwuma nka anya adwuma
ai say wo say me ade na anya adwuma
ya duro no girl no me so automatically obesa afre me
e no see ya mienu
asa ma me good news e je no put the fa you feel with why
ko so na fa sa atuti ko so na fa sa atuti sa de ya
come away.
I don't know.
I'll sing you a song from my heart as we look onto the stars.
Why?
Enye onipa
Wo ga na se bra no wo ko na boy ni
boy ne tuo na se ge na asa afre boy no so omra no ne ye wo nkomo ge ni be wi nkomo no be wi nkomo na ochiri mo se ade aduro no ono no sisi why disturb hu nipa onware ni sisi because pressure na e ba no so sisi why na dwo se emienu no se ebeti ase nko ade onye ebetena kana say how no wo ye ne say wo ne ye tena say like wo ne mema mi o baba ko ne mema mi nu tena kwan be so
men tiasio
oh sa no wo kan say se me metiase dia
o wale mu mi
o ye mienu no okay no we boy nenim di no so hweme am see no see o no see enko de enko dwen ho na ye fa mu ayemre no ofa me hwemu a boy no ye nyaama boy no ofa ye nyaama no
e je se na wo kan ye nya de ma wan hwe me ka sim bi a kire wo ensem na ACC na ge na ka kire wo se oba wale mu mi no tiase tiase to the stand say asem na wo kan e sika na wo pe oba na wo pre so wure fie no e sika so be nyi o japade awurade ya dum na so so awale wo na kakra na wunya de wo pa ye fa de bi nwe wo you free na se be ka boy no no waka wa eho wachiri mfuturo
sa dwere ba mitri ba sa
but se wo so trawa me se boy no no abedwane ha tiasie didi adia seti ewie wo be ka so wo be jama
anya se bia me de duro no me no sa
de wo jama boy we kwa me ntwema boy no
ofa de me can say e ba mitrim se ne wo ke ba mitrim ba me sa dwen hu se bia girl no eye plan work bi no ya na se bia wo so yemienu na ahwa wo chire no
ti na me see tena e bia be ka se mintimi no aka cha nti se na wo mpeme
ofa na misu kasa anu kasa anti obi am pen na mitimiti ase so won ni mema pe no
e Friday be 50-50 but we be tia about 40-60
so for menti ase na
te wura ho ni am die ni mu abut sport adia wade ba ni se wo fa sa akwa sempe ni ba se ngo fe busuani na afi no wo kotachiman oni busuani
no podi no so ru ko si anwo no
na obi
a de ebe mu so odwara num
magure ma se o ma me ton koko tachiman
ana wakasa na unim me na anim me
e pro ma me asana magure mu a o se ya anwo asana ba no o ma me chikosi
pa o fa se nye boy we ya ka gen ka ba wini no me se ka ba wini ne
enye mu man chan
because boy gen ni kasa nyino sa hwe manim sa se wo de ya obi na e kasa o fa de o de waka
wo de kache gen sa wate You be who do all vibes. So all vibes.
All vibes go and send Darko.
What did now all vibes I send Darko? Darko should be send the farm.
Darko and the Darko vibes.
Darko farms. And a Darko.
What do you know? Me again bekasa. Na ma chem so die sesa na wo kan ya ti ase.
Be ko
na fe
Akate farms.
Where?
Menene war issue China for being kusua bi ne pese ye crab the brand.
Mo kran kusua from China.
I realize you're the one I've been waiting for. And you're my sunshine on a cloudy day. I realize you're the one I've been waiting for. You are my sunshine on a cloudy day. And when the sun comes down, I'll be here waiting for you. Do you know what you mean to me?
What's up, girl? Yeah. Yeah, that's my toy. That's my 4x4, girl. Yeah, Forerunner. Yeah. Oko America is very expensive bar. And normal boys in twin talk. So I say, and let me say about how you doing, girl? What a mom said. As I was telling you, say, girl, just give me your heart. Give me your heart and I'm gonna give you this ride. May the way talk. For come on, mama can creepy say. Make sure we are more dead. That's what I want. What do you need? I'll provide it. Yeah. I'll import things from America for you. Telling you. What's your sister? Dresses and Mrs. Now quality and your force when you bend down boutique and your mokola, hey, and your malata, that be America straight from America. That's it. Give me your heart. Let me show you the world. See me proud.
Yeah, we should to wait here. Me share fools until me get obia or ye and wife. One is a winning casta. I don't mean one of me or banner. Ah, bra, Mr. Nimpel. Are they? No, go try. Yes, this is what you are about to see me. Oh, yeah, like a bit me a show. No be a driver, the day no bit me I am out. Who be a bit me a hell. The way on system so dear. Allow Mammy Brian maintain you ye. What's it? I say? It is said a way about dinner we are where foul to see sweet. And to say, woo me a banner, yemmy. And Uncle Bray, I would dinner way. Minkas on your bear mouth. Ni subanye kitani. Whatever power bar, no, ye, and Musa Cabapene. Why not? As far as so bit me, I have many good and quite a mini problem. Sir? Yes. Who pays catcher order? I love money.
What do we Casa? Where I guess, Casa, how do you Casa?
I mean, that's your simon. I'll come out. So, Nisco. So, a frag which rabo. So, frag which mayo. So, a cow. So, what do you? If a driver on this hour, Mimpel, excuse me. Hey, madam! I told you. Hey, how will you be a Cassan or so many respects?
I realize you're the one I've been waiting for. And you're my sunshine on a cloudy day.
Wait. I was on comment. I get one fucking pow. It's Mama Modia, the foreigner, I have Papa, just a son. Mapa was a famba. Yeah, foreigner, which now power. Who got so bad for me? Who got so bad for me? America ain't shit, boy.
I'm finished. Inside joke. Where you at? I hug you. Yeah, I said it. By how are Obama Jabia as I see say, and Nia and I see you here will be hourly.
No, I love you. That's why.
I love you too much. I love you too much. I know what to say.
Me no one come on.
Yeah. Because the way I've seen me, I think say, well, who me and you want to be in camp.
Yeah. Boga na wo fi ai say. Wo so nya.
Yeah, me of Faba.
Wo of Faba.
Me of Faba the way me nia.
Ade dey na o ka fa me ho kire no.
I don't say. Me can't read it. Maybe crowd who so be fiase a. Ana how I don't see ni me yero. Me eno na ya me because me give who ya. By me man nka bi anche.
Would you believe say oba me fie?
What? Ano be dey. Obedi ni mo asem no hon.
Ba ya kaka.
Kama oba fiase a no obedi di sem hu ase no ato fie o sa be kika sem hu.
Oba de nyensem nu no ka ho maso akasa bi no no pem na minja wo na onye be ma untimi muwa me okasa bebre and I was like what's up then e koso I didn't know also kasasa etimi de kra de me pamo no frifie on so on frifie
no Maria komo na wudi no san komo we no etimi tete abusuantem san komo we etimi tete adofo ntem Mimi nua why do I so open?
Na de me chan shoulder.
Enoch. Abese wo aba wo fie pampan. Abese wo open.
Obaya.
So what about na?
Abodam de abodam. Obaya de we wo sie nkwa na me tan na me se masa. Me ni nye no ho. Me oboy am ne neti. E na me do no nso so. Me ka se wo fra bruchira ba incident den na ma be jana ba be de o kan am se me de be interested.
Abodam. Abruchire my foot. I dey think na yedi.
Edidi.
Ene ma na de bia o mo di free abruchire ba no. Enye ne eto.
Ya na eto.
Sa apartment akese no ma ba gigi. Nye ne yedi ka go dem plan ansa na o ma be dem ansa o ma be dem.
Ya na ekodam.
Kaisa akese o mo de ba ni na for na eto.
Ya na eto.
Ya no mfi se yin skel free. Na obi ntimi ntira mobla, obi so betimi tina mobla. Hawati. Yeti edidi. Apodam.
Wanim ya wanim oso ba na eme. E wo se memi jao. O ho enye fe. Wanim sa kan se utia esa anomaji.
Mitino. Ase na ya asha podie no.
Oye o papa.
Ya asha aboa nano wa. Enti o kasa akwa. Nese ko kasa ma ha se Lucifer bonsam ni ade. Esu ni nyina anka men cheke. Wu momu ni me issue. Wu momu ni my apartment. Ahima se wu momu na obi wa no etina se a ana me di ohu yawo.
Debi.
But o nti na se
No.
So
I would never do that.
Menya ne kasa chira so. Menya ne kasa chira. Se me nti no ba ga na ha se a. E abusua ohweso no ma ne ga na no ma ne ma no ohweso nko. Na me do ne ba ye nya dia me ne bile no.
Anyway, me no anti na me se me ne won komo.
That's it.
Na den ne ko. It's canon sending acho.
Fachem. Me offer na say no yen ho long. Only just say me ni business o baby a ono one na time so memska. But na say na so yen ho long. Tina sama abi na chem. Fachem. Why?
Customer no so ha me sa.
Miss na say enu tina be ka say ka on fanko. Na nka echi ni skana na ka akwa.
Na de unim se me she blue ana na so she blue. Ana de se de bia.
Abi de. Wo na de blue na to. Yeah. It's raw. Very cool. The best thing. Why?
Waiting for you are my sunshine on a cloudy day.
Wow, it's really nice. That's nice idea.
The position I'm taking is to marry you.
Huh? What? Come again, madam.
Vanessa.
Madam, can you repeat yourself?
Can you repeat yourself again?
You heard that right, though?
Both of them. Madam, is this twosome or what? Madam,
I will not be a party to this. Vanessa, if this is a joke, please.
Madam, choose one. It's
not nice.
It's not cool like that.
I want you to relax. I've got my reasons. What are your reasons? I like both of them. I can't take one. No! It can't happen.
Auntie.
This is an abomination.
It's an abomination to buy, Auntie. It can happen. It can happen anywhere. Now this world we are living inside, everything can happen. Yes. It's all about the money. Now gay and gay said they do. Now this why you say you don't want woman to
shut up! Shut up!
Auntie, you get money, you have everything. No, I say they do those things until if you decide they go marry two man. It's not anything. You have money, you can work with the both of them.
Shut up.
Oh, Auntie.
Vanessa, listen to me. This can't happen. I don't know what to say. Keep quiet! If this is a joke or something, just cut it. Let's be serious. Why did you call this meeting? That is the reason. I want to marry both of them.
He's talking about the feelings. Auntie, don't this.
It can't happen. If it were to be where you were, that's a word. You could have had your way. But here it is an abomination. No one will tolerate this. What will I go and tell my family at home? That Vanessa wants to marry two men at a go. Who will support this?
If you think about family, you know that's thing, or that's why now you decide to change.
If you talk again, I will personally fire you. I will strip you out of position in this house. What nonsense! You are in support of this.
I don't have a choice.
Excuse me.
He's my boss.
What are you talking about?
He's my boss. It's not wrong. If the person don't have money, that one is cool. Now you have everything. And you hold everything.
People will be talking about it.
If you're about to hear something, they're gonna talk. You're not gonna do anything in this world. It's your choice. Me, I don't have a problem. You are my boss. I can't say no. Yes, we are your back. You should know how to talk to your.
You know what? Let me just talk to her.
Yeah.
She's probably going to understand.
Yeah, talk to her.
We
are your back. It's nice.
For you to take 2 minutes at the same time.
Just discuss it with him, okay?
It's nice.